If your Pixel 10 feels cluttered every time you swipe down and your shortcuts aren't where you want them, it's because you haven't rearranged your quick settings tiles yet. This is how to rearrange quick settings tiles on Pixel 10 fast. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice to fully open the quick settings panel. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom to enter edit mode. To remove tiles, tap the minus symbol. To add new ones, scroll down a little and tap the plus symbol on any tile you want. It will instantly move to the active area at the top. Keep adding or removing tiles until everything looks clean and organized. If you ever want to reset everything, scroll all the way down, tap Reset, then tap OK to confirm. By knowing how to rearrange quick settings tiles on Pixel 10, your most important shortcuts will always be just one swipe away. If this video helped you organize your Pixel 10, give it a like or watch another tutorial to master your device even more.